Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the updates about any new videos and live sessions for related to government exams. In this video, we are going to talk about the JIIB exam that is going to be held in January 2022 and how to prepare for it to ensure clearing it in this one attempt. It is approximately 1 month we have. So if we look at the examination dates, these are the latest dates that are given by IIBF as of now, tentatively. The exam, the three papers, as we know there are three papers. So Principles and Practices of Banking will be held on 8th January, Accounting and Finance for Bankers on 9th January, and Legal and Regulatory Aspects on 22nd of January. So that gives us approximately 1 month, first two papers, and approximately 1.5 months for the paper 3. So how we can prepare these and what are the topics that we could look at, because it's a very comprehensive and a large syllabus that is given for all these three papers. So how can we prepare them? It is very important to have a strategy in place. So one strategy which I am suggesting is, as I call it, the PEEP strategy, which means and stands for planning, then executing that plan, emphasizing or strengthening your preparation, and then practice. We need to do in this is, in the planning phase, basically first we need to have a very good understanding of the syllabus. As I mentioned, it is a very detailed and wide syllabus in all the three papers. So first we have to understand that syllabus, what topics are being covered, what is the rationale behind them, what kind of depth you need to cover in that syllabus, and based on that you identify the areas you need to give more time, you need to give less time, because you are already banking professionals, so some kind of understanding of some things you may already be having. So based on that you should have a timetable that you need to prepare, and this timetable should give subject wise scheduling. So all the three papers, if you are appearing, how you have to divide that time between the modules, each of the topics within that paper. The next step will be to execute that plan, the timetable that you have made. And while making that timetable, because you all are working professionals, at least 2 to 3 hours, some may be able to go up to 4 hours on a daily basis, is what you should devote. Maybe you can choose a morning time before you start your work, that you are devoting this time for your preparation, because you're fresh in the morning, still not burdened by your work, office related work and the bank related work. So this is a time that you can devote for your preparation with a fresh mind, and then fill up and supplement your daily studies with a longer duration on the weekends or any holidays that you have. And you have to be very consistent in following this, right? It shouldn't be like 1 week you have devoted very well and the next week you have not followed up on your plan. So you have to be consistent and daily in executing and preparing for your all the three papers. Next step is to emphasize. What I mean by emphasizing is strengthening your knowledge. Okay, strengthening what you have understood. So your conceptual understanding should be good of all the topics, because the ultimate aim of JIIB is that you as a banking professional understand various aspects of the banking system that will be helping in your career. So you should have good conceptual understanding, and that is done by revising, going through the concepts, clearing them with the help of a mentor if required. Then you can also ensure that maybe there were certain things that you have studied in the past or have practical experience of, but that was somewhere some time back, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years back. So please ensure that the study material that you are referring to is updated and it's not very old. So because if there are regulations related topics, RBI or the banking system keeps coming up with certain kind of updates or developments that keep happening. So for the exam, IIBF gives a cutoff date. So for the cutoff dates, if there are guidelines, like if you see, there are a lot of RBI guidelines that keep coming. So the cutoff date for this particular exam has been specified as the 30th of June. So any regulations, for say for example, if you are studying the priority sector lending norms and regulations given by RBI, so ensure any kind of updates in the priority sector lending guidelines. If RBI has come up to 30th of June, you are updated about it, right? So your supplement your study material with any latest updates that have taken place up to 30th of June 2021, and then always prepare your own notes, because this helps you to revise later on and remember the key points that you have studied at the first level. And last step is your practice. You have to, this is an objective MCQ based paper, so you should be able to practice MCQs and solve MCQs after your conceptual understanding, and whether you are able to do that or not will be possible, you will be able to know only when you practice MCQs. So after your study, always practice to see how much you are able to actually solve in the papers. These practice MCQs can be chapter wise at the level, and then followed up with various mock tests also, so that you have a feel of the actual exam. So this strategy you can follow for the 1.5 months to clear your paper, all of the 3 papers in the January attempt this year. At iExamB, we are holding a free e-seminar this Sunday, coming Sunday 5th of December. So if you are interested to enroll, you can register for free at the form given in the description box. This session will be taken by Shankar Nagarajan sir and Neha Arora ma'am. Shankar Nagarajan sir is ex-manager RBI. And 10 plus years of experience in teaching the banking subjects at various institutions. And Neha Arora ma'am is a financial management professional and academician. She has been teaching and mentoring students for the preparation of JIB and various other exams from the last 4 years. So this seminar is being held for free to discuss the topics of importance from each of these 3 papers, and how you can make a plan to study and a timetable to study to crack the JIB exam in the January 2022 attempt. So if you are interested, please register on the form given in the description box. Thanks everybody for joining in. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.